You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pour, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
1, 2, and 3. We included all our guests, all our staff members who are almost like family to us. So it's always a family event, cake mixing or getting ready for the festive season, getting ready for Christmas is a very festive, joyous occasion where we mix the dry fruits with the spices and the alcohol. So it's like a big celebration getting ready for the festive season. Everybody together. We had more than 50 kilos of dry fruits, more than 50 liters of alcohol and wine that was poured into it, so that this dry fruit makes a rich, very royal mixture, gets ready in the next 30-35 days and ready for the Christmas season, ready for Christmas cake that we are going to bake and steam. If we bake it, it's pudding, or rather if we steam it, it's pudding. If we bake it, it's a Christmas cake.
That's really interesting, these pieces of cake and everyone is communicating with each other. And the music is really funny. I like that.
This is at Baywatch Resort. This is the 11th year we are doing the cake mixing ceremony.
Everybody, as you can see, everybody is very happy and enjoy. And they, for few people, it's a lifetime experience.
This is the best experience in my life. This cake mixing for Xmas. We enjoyed a lot, and
it's pleasant experience to us. We are very happy being a part of this.
We are celebrating our traditional Christmas cake mixing ceremony at Palmarina Resort. We have invited our in-house guests to join in the traditional Christmas cake mixing celebrations. We wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance.